Hey guys, I wanted to go over a perfect trade setup here for the stock of Tesla. I'm going to show you guys an opportunity that happened earlier this year that lined up just absolutely perfectly. So for you guys that are new to the channel, we focus on a monthly and a daily chart. Okay, when I talk about the monthly and the daily chart, those are the two time frames we focus on. Okay, we're not day traders here, we're swing traders. Okay, our hold time is anywhere from 1 month to 6 months. Okay, 1 to 6 months is our general hold time. We're swing traders. A lot of us have day jobs, and we are looking to, we're not one to sit in front of our computer for 24 hours a day. So again, we focus on a monthly and a daily chart. And I'm going to break down this Tesla trade for you guys and show you how the opportunity presented itself. So you could see down here, this green dot here, that was called out in the Discord on July 1st, 2024. So the very first thing that we look for when we are trading stocks or cryptocurrency is this green dot on the monthly chart. That absolutely has to be on the chart. Okay, if it's red, when the dot is red, we're going down. When the dot is green, we're going up. Okay, so Tesla gave us the signal right here in July. Okay, that was our signal to start paying attention to Tesla, right? That signal came right there at about 178, just call it 180, and the price is now sitting at $400. So that right there was a 150% move if you are still holding here just about 6 months later. Okay, 150% on your portfolio when the majority of people are happy with 5% a year on their portfolio. So let me show you how this trade was executed. Okay, so again, we saw the green dot confirmation again. That came July 1st, 2024. So once we get the green dot, right, once we get that green dot on the monthly chart, what we want to do is we want to zoom into the daily chart. Okay, and now the daily chart, let's go back here to July. Okay, let's go back here to July. July was right here. Okay, May, June, and July. You can see July 12th right there at the bottom of my screen. So the reason we zoom into the daily chart, because 9 times out of 10, okay, you can see this blue wave right here. This is an indication. I use this as a fear and greed index, right? This blue wave, when it is way up here above our zero line down here, okay, that means we are in extreme greed territory, right? Tesla went from right here from 169 all the way up to 270 in about a month. Okay, you can see that was from June 13th all the way to July 15th. Okay, so the reason we zoom into the daily is because if we were just playing this monthly dot here, okay, that we got in July, we would have had to look at the daily chart, and we could typically see that we were extremely overbought, right? We saw we were very overbought at that time. So the monthly dot, right, tells us that we need to watch this, and what we need to watch for is a pullback, because then it pulled back right here. You could see from 270 all the way down here to about 180. Okay, and then we got the green dot. The green dot's down here below the zero line on the daily chart, right here, right here. Those are the places we want to be buying. You can see if you bought this one right here in August, which was just a month after that green dot came there on the daily, or I'm sorry, on the monthly, you got in at 198. Okay, and another thing we use and reference is this golden zone right here. If you guys don't have the golden zone or this trading indicator, you can get it right over here inside the Discord just by clicking on this trading indicator tab. You just click on this link and it will load directly into your TradingView account. Your screen will look exactly like mine. Okay, you'll have all the indications, the green, the red dots, the golden zone. But this golden zone is my Fibonacci retracement tool that I've built. Okay, and typically what we want to do is we want to buy these green dots when the blue wave is down here inside of the golden zone. We don't want to buy the green dots below the golden zone, right? Because when we're trending below the golden zone, let me take off my volume bar real quick. When we're trending below the golden zone, that means we're in a bear market. Okay, we're trending down, meaning the last dot on the monthly chart, right? The last dot on the monthly chart is most likely red. So the reason we want the monthly chart to be green is because that tells us that the macro direction is moving up, okay? And if it's red, it's moving down. So we don't want to trade against the trend as traders. We want to trade with the trend. And how we know that the trend is in our favor is that we have a green dot on the monthly chart. Again, after we see the monthly chart with the green dot, we then zoom into the daily chart, and we simply just look for pullbacks when the blue wave comes back down here, and we get the green dot, just like it gave you right there at 190, 200 bucks. This thing went all the way up to almost $500. Again, that was a 500% move in about a 5 to 6 month period right there if you held all the way to the top. Again, you can take profits as you go. Okay, if we get extended off of the golden zone, that's normally where you want to be taking profits on these red dots. And then you just wait for the pullback back into it. Boom, you get the green dot right there. There's Tesla at 210 again. Rip. Okay, bing, bing, bing. And we're coming back down here on the daily chart now. Again, the dot is still green on the monthly. So now all we're waiting for is that next green dot on the daily to take another trade on Tesla. Okay, if this thing comes back to like anywhere from 280 to 320, we're going to be eating that up. All we need is that confirmation on the daily. So again, first you want the confirmation from the monthly, okay, the monthly dot confirmation. Then we want to zoom into the daily, and we want to buy either in or around the golden zone, right? When this blue wave is down here. Again, we use this blue wave as a fear and greed index. People are greedy up here, and they're fearful down here. Okay, Warren Buffett says it best: sell when others are greedy and buy when they are fearful. Okay, people don't like sitting through a 40-50% dip. That's when I want to pay attention. That's when I want to take my positions. Okay, and we simply just use this indicator to pinpoint our entries. That is the perfect setup. That was the perfect setup last year on Tesla. I'm sure there's going to be many, many more here in 2025. And we are looking forward to capitalizing on what the market has to bring. Hopefully you guys got some value out of this. And again, if you guys got any questions about the trading indicator, feel free to email me. That link is right here, right? Overkill at overkillinvesting.club, or shoot me a DM. The Discord is free to join. We do have a paid membership right here. You guys can learn more about if you click on this link under the Become a Member tab, but it is free to join, and then you get access to some premium features if you guys sign up. It's $4 a month right now if you guys pay for the year in full, but we do call out all the dots over here from the indicator, daily green dots and monthly green dots as well. So if you guys have any questions, again, my email is right over there inside the trading indicator tab, overkill at overkillinvesting.club. One thing I want to mention, guys, is that I will never, ever, 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 ever add you as a friend. Okay, it's nothing personal. I will never add you as a friend or DM you asking for money or cryptocurrency. Please, please, please beware of scammers. Again, my only two products are the Discord membership, which gets you connected with 1,000 plus like-minded investors over there, and also, right, the trading indicator. Those are my only two products. Everything else is a scam. So please, please, please beware of people adding you as a friend, impersonating me, messaging you. I will never send you a DM first or add you as a friend on any social media platform. So hopefully you guys got some value out of this. God bless you. And I'll see you tomorrow for the chart request video right over here on YouTube.